bald eagle is the only eagle unique to North America. In the late 20th century, the bald eagle was on the brink of extinction. Decades of conservation efforts led to a dramatic recovery. In 2007, the bird was delisted from the United States list of endangered species. This majestic bird is still protected and can be found throughout most of North America. The Northwest Coast is a primary breeding ground. These eagles live in Alaska, where about half the world's 70,000 bald eagles reside. Juvenile bald eagles have mostly dark heads and tails. As they mature, their bodies become mottled with white. Adult bald eagles have a distinctive white head with dark brown bodies and wings. It takes the birds about 5 years to gain their adult plumage. In the wild, bald eagles can live approximately 15 to 30 years. Birds have been known to live up to 40 years under ideal conditions. The bald eagle flourishes along the northwest coast due to an abundance of salmon and fishing. While eagles can catch fish that are alive, dead or dying fish are also an important food source. As the eagle dives to catch its prey, it can achieve speeds between 35 and 45 miles per hour. With a wingspan between 5.5 and 8 feet, the eagle is an impressive sight to witness.